So I did splurge a little and I bought this rolling deck box by Mirador on Amazon. I didn't want something to ruin the vibe of the pool deck. I don't like the way the plastic ones look and the wicker ones aren't waterproof enough. I needed one that was really big to hold my pool chair lounger cushions, and this one fits them perfectly with room to spare. It's waterproof, it's beautiful. I'm so happy that I went with this one. I do also appreciate the soft open and close mechanism. It's very satisfying, as well as the wheels have a lock and unlock function too. So it did take me about 2 hours to set up. Here's the box that it came in and the very detailed instructions. I didn't have any problem understanding the instructions. One thing you should know is that some of the pieces are screwed together that you need to unscrew to get all of the screws and separate the pieces that you need, which I did miss some of those at first, but it was very easy to go back and get the pieces that I need. So just watch out for that. This is right here where I put it together before I forgot to remove the pieces that I needed for a different part, but no big deal. So I'm just going to show a time lapse then of my process. You'll probably do it quicker than me. I reread the instructions always like a couple times, and I'm slow and I'm not a professional. But I did it, and I did it mostly by myself. My husband helped me like hold something together for 1 or 2 steps, but yeah, very doable. Just takes a couple hours, and you will be rewarded with a very beautiful, durable, weatherproof, gigantic box that you can fit your stuff in.